severe pain due to sore throat or tonsillitis.
Let's cure it. Step 1. Drink warm water. 10% relief. Add 1½ teaspoon salt in half cup water. Do gargles. Repeat around 5 times. 25% relief. Step 2. Prepare a turmeric and cinnamon drink. Take fresh boil water. Oh, I am so lucky. I got this. Homemade drink recipe in description. Pour and keep the tea bag for 3 to 5 minutes. Keep it aside. And use honey and cetopelati churn. Best Ayurvedic treatment for throat. Our turmeric and cinnamon drink is ready. %40 relief. Step 3. Take steam on your throat. It plays 60% of the role in treating your throat. Our steamer is ready. You can use hot boil water in a bowl for the same. The proper way of doing it is to swallow the steam slowly. Steam also enhances your skin. Taking steam is the most important step. Take it for 10 to 15 minutes minimum. You will feel the relief in seconds. Wow, now it's fine again. See you in the next video.